Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and use custom indicators on TradingView. So make sure you will have logged in, and here you will see the strategy tester. So simply just tap on it, and what we want to do, I will just tap on it to load my strategy indicator, and here is the indicator option. I will just simply tap on it. So from here you will be just select the indicator what you will to like to for the define or the ratio bars. And example, I will just tap on it, advanced decline ratio bars. I will just tap on it, and here you will see it will be just show me the progress of the performance. So these lines are show me, you will see from the March, April, May, it will be just goes in the loss, and when it goes to high, and here you will see the profit of the 6.64% custom indicator. And if I want to just remove it, simply just tap on it, this one left side remove indicator option, and again I will just tap on it, and I want to just add a new indicator. So there are many, you will just also search it, and I will be just tap on it, this one, a moving average coverage, and let's see. So here you will see the red is for the lower and the green is for the profitable. So in this way you will just apply the custom indicator on TradingView to get the make it a profitable trades. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.